Hey, Thomas. Oh, what do you want, Percy? I just want to say happy 12th birthday. It's my birthday? Yeah, it's your 12th birthday. How did you forget? I didn't forget my birthday. It's just that my birthday's in the 29th. That's the last month. What kind of logic is that? I don't know. Happy 12th birthday, Thomas. Anyways, me, Sonic, Tails, Mike, and Mario. Oh yeah, and Phineas too. Can't forget about him. Oh yeah, and Mighty and Ray, can't forget about them too. Set up a birthday party for you. Oh, that's nice. Wanna come? Sure. Guys, Thomas is coming. We need to set up the birthday. Where is it? It's in the kitchen. Well, then take him to the kitchen.
Hey, yo, bro, chill. Percy, wait.
I'm gonna go check on the cake. Yep, looks fine. I think I should take it out. Man, that was a great party, wasn't it, guys? Yes, it was. Now time to blow out your birthday cakes. Hold on, but first we need to sing happy birthday. Ooh, I want to do it. I'm a professional. Okay, Sonic, give us your best shot. But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside.